Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. I would like to thank everyone. I've been out for about a week because my mom got infected with COVID-19 and I went to my hometown. I spent about 5 days over there, just waiting, for everything to improve. And I left my mom doing well. So thank you to those guys who prayed for her and to all my friends in ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. So for today's recording, I am working on a hit called AS Defects and Misspelling Japanese version. We are going to get a I'm sorry, we might encounter problems with the translation, so this is going to be a difficult hit for me, but I'm gonna give it a try. So let's go ahead here, or let's go ahead and move on or jump into the hit. So for each suggestion shown as autocomplete of the type query B for JAJP, select the appropriate options as per instructions. So misspelled, defect, okay, foreign language, adult. Those are self-explanatory. You can read them. It's in front of the screen. So Bing, that is okay. Be kind if, for me, that is vague, so it'll be defect. Bell button, that's I'm gonna go with misspelt. Ben Affleck, I'm gonna go with okay. Let's see. All right, okay, this is awesome. Now this, guys, it's going to be a challenge. Hold on, let's translate this page. Modelina vaccination. This is misspelled, I think. And this one, what is model? I think this is model. I'm gonna go with okay here. Oh man, it's misspelled. You see the problem with working on foreign hits? I failed the quali. That's the first qualification. I'm gonna do it again. Let's qualify. Amazon, that's okay. Airbus, that's okay. Air B, that's misspelled. All right, this is foreign. This is defect. XXX gifts, that's adult. Adult as well. Excel to PDF, that's misspelled. Xbox Series, Xbox X, that's for me that's defect. Let's see how it goes. All right, it's defected. Okay, that's fine. Misspelled, I guess. So we got one mistake. This one is a challenge. Uh oh man. Oh geez. Hold on. Let me pull up Google Translate. Beating a child. This is malform, foreign language or irrelevant, adult, hateful, misleading, or offensive. I'm gonna go with adult here. I think. Yep, we got it right. Okay, guys, we passed the quali. It is AS defects and misspelling Japanese. I hope I was able to show you the thought process and how to work on it. This one is a good hit app. Let me go back here and show you how much it pays. It pays 0.04 cents. Unfortunately, we only got about 200 hits to work on this one. But again, it pays 4.0 cents. I just cannot scroll up, so because you guys will be able to see my name, and we might get reported for that and get banned eventually. But anyways, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you all for your support. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.